Hi, I'm Michael Hyam with the Business Exchange. Today we're at the annual IFA conference in Las Vegas at the MGM Grand. I have Mr. Joseph Adler with us today. Thanks for coming out, Joseph.
Pleasure.
Joseph is a partner at the Hoffer Adler Law firm. He is a Toronto-based lawyer and general counsel for the Canadian Franchise Association. Joseph, I have a quick question for you. If you could tell me, what is the Arthur Wishart Act?
It's a very strange name for a statute, but it's the name of the Franchise Disclosure Statute for the province of Ontario. There are, in fact, 5 jurisdictions in Canada, Ontario, Alberta, PEI, New Brunswick, and Manitoba, that have similar legislation. But the Arthur Wishart Act, as an example, is a disclosure-based statute which imposes an obligation on a franchisor to provide a disclosure document to a prospective franchisee at least 14 days before signing any agreement or paying the franchisor any money. That's the essence of the statute, and its principal concern is disclosure. In addition, it also imposes obligations on both the franchisor and the franchisee in terms of imposing a duty of good faith and fair dealing. It also requires the franchisor to provide franchisees the right to associate with other franchisees of the system. That, in essence, is what the statute is about. Included in the disclosure document are all material facts pertaining to the franchise, including the franchise agreement, financial statements, and all other facts that may have an impact on the value or price of the franchise being purchased or the decision of the franchisee to purchase that franchise. It's got to contain all that information so that the prospective franchisee can make a reasoned decision in the company of its own professional advisors before it makes that decision to purchase and go ahead with the franchise. Of course, if it doesn't, if the franchisor doesn't meet those obligations, there are severe consequences for a franchisor, and the franchisee has certain rights of rescission and claim for damages, as well in certain circumstances for misrepresentation. So those are very important remedies that a franchisee has against the franchisor if the franchisor doesn't meet its obligations.
Okay, perfect. That's great.